Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Julie with Bookshelf by Julie. Today we're doing our Friday freebie. We're working on our little mini journal. We've got a 2-page freebie set. Beautiful panels, very gardeny because, you know, I'm working on the Garden Time journal kit and this goes with that. It goes with any gardeny one or summery one or whatever like that. But yeah, we got some bunnies, we've got some flowers, we've got some, you know, lots of stuff. So these I think of as paper dolls, but you can think of them as embellishments if you'd like, whichever way you want to go with that. Pockets, tags, and like I said before, I put these close enough to where you can cut them down and have, you know, them separate, or fold them together and make them a foldy tag, which is what I've been doing. Okay, that's what we're doing today. So we've got, let's see, this is the back 2 panels, okay? This one is going to open up in the next video. So get your envelope ready, and you just need one more of these envelopes, and we're going to slide it in there and make another garden spot, because that's what we're doing. So this is what we're doing today. We're putting our back panels in, our pockets on. And if you're not making the little mini journal, you can make journal cards with a pocket and, you know, put stuff in it, right? Either way you want to do that, it's just super cute and fun. So that's what we're doing, super cute and fun. Okay. So yep, I've got my little paper dolls in there. I think they're adorable, but okay. We're going to put this to the side or to over there, and we're going to put this in here, okay? So you can put them this way, or you can put them this way. And this is the way I put them in the other one, so this is the way I'm going to put them into this one. It's a thing. I've already got them inked up and some tape on there, so we're just going to get right into it and make this thing. Let me see. Putting it on that way. So yeah, I want to take this one off, I think. I don't know. I'm trying to be strategic. Do you ever do that? You think, oh, well, I want to put it that way, but and then you end up doing the wrong way around. Yeah, I do that all the time. It's a thing. I'm good at it. But it'll work out. It always works out in the end, because we're crafty people and we can fix it. So, there you go. I gave my glue gun thingy a good soak overnight. Sometimes you just have to do that with this thing. And it seems to be being nice today. So that's good. Sometimes it's, what are you doing? Where does it, oh, it goes over here. Okay, probably going to need to take that out in a minute anyways. Okay, so we're going to give this a good press down, right? Oh, it's okay. It's a little lumpy bumpy, but that's all right. We work around those things, right? Okay. See if we can get this off. It's right to the edge. Oh, it did fine. I like to put it right to the edge, but then when I'm taking it off, I go, what did I do that for? Because it's right to the edge. It's harder to get the backing off of it. Especially on camera, because, you know, Murphy's Law presides. It does seem like things are so easy, you know, off camera. And then you get on camera and everything goes all wonky with you. It's a thing. Those of you who don't do videos, yeah, you don't have to worry about it. Those of you who do, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so get that out of the way. All right, we're going to put this panel on, then we're going to do some pocketing, right? This way. So, yeah. Again, trying to be strategic. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't work. I just work with it, whatever I need to do. Sometimes you just have to turn the thing around, do it the other way than you intended. Still works, still good. Okay. Hope you guys are liking this little gardening mini journal, because it's so cute. Yep. I'm just stuck on so cute, so there you go. Okay, we've got this one down. And if you got any glue that squidges out, just go ahead and just kind of rub that off. It's okay. With me, I'm like, again, you know, hey, that just means I got enough glue on there, right? Okay. Now also, I'm going to put a signature in these. Just the little, the one I usually use, the little line page that I use for a lot of the mini sets that I've done, and they were freebies, so you guys probably already have them. If you don't, they're on the website, Facebook group page, as are these. Just saying. And so I'm just going to use that one. I used it for the last one. I think I stuck it on with the last freebie set. I think I just put it on that PDF or something. So, anyways, yeah. So that's what I'm going to use. You can use anything, you know, whatever you want to do with that. So let's put our pockets. Where are our pockets? We've got this little bunny lady has a couple of little boys. And this one has her little kid in a basket. Cute, but yeah. It's fun. We've got some birds too. I like the birds. Birds in summertime, they make things happy, don't they? They're always chirping. And sometimes they wake you up better than a rooster does, huh? I think so. Okay, just gonna put that on there. We're just stacking the image so we don't lose any of the pretty, huh? Okay. Also, when you're getting that envelope ready for the next video, make sure you check those corners. I'll try and remind you in the next video as well, but remember, check your corners, because that's the thing. It's, those will, especially on that one, I mean, on all of them, you should check your corners and glue those down, because that'll mess you up. But on that one, it's going to be a hinged extra page in the journal, so it's best to have it to where all the corners are glued down really good. Just saying. Because if not, then that one will mess up pretty good. Pretty good. Okay. And you can have it just as a hinged page or as a big pocket hinged page. However you want to do that. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I may just have it as just a hinge. I don't know. I think the last time I left it open, so I showed that process in the last one. If you haven't seen the last little mini journal set, it's a freebie. Go watch that one. It goes with, what did it go with? Oh, Mrs. Mouse's Tea Party. Yes. Super cute. It was in the house. In the mouse in the house. Something like that. It was cute. Okay. I had so much fun with that. I may have to make some more of those. They're just too cute. Again, you know, too cute. So, just saying. It's becoming a theme. Okay. Again, just stacking our image right on there. Oh man, that moved. Sometimes it does. Just reset it. Hold it still. Oh, stuff happens. Like I said on the video. It's a thing. Oh, I want to do this one first. Excuse me. If you're ever working on one and you've got really tight quarters, do this, what's called the gutter side. Do that side first, because the other side's out in the open. This side's all squinched up in the fold of the book. So, gutter side. Gutter side first. Because it gets a little bunchy, right? Or I think it does. So. Alrighty. Now we've got this one together. Super duper cute. Where is my brayer? I'm going to use that on this side. I can on this side. This side is a little too lumpy bumpy for that. Okay. Alright. Now we've got that. Let's get our bits and pieces here. We've got, yep, this one goes over here and this one over here. We've got this as well. Yep, and this one. And then, of course, I had to do the mini ones because it's too cute not to, right? Yeah. That one, that one. And then I've got all my little paper doll ones. They're so cute, guys. We had extras this time because I had those little boys, and I thought, well, I have to do those, you know. The little boy bunnies. We've got our bigger ones. And then we've got our itty bitty ones. It's cute. Yeah. Okay. So let's do this. The itty bitty ones are going to go in the itty bitty in the pocket here. Okay. Well, I said it was. I meant it. Okay. So we've got this one. We're going to stick this in here like so. Super cute. Now, I did back these on file folder as per my usual. Okay. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to put her over here because, yep, that's where she goes now. Okay. So this one's got a little bit extra because I did the little boy ones because too cute not to. Too cute not to. So they go in the pocket like so. This goes in here like so. Yep, I said it did. And I meant it. Okay, so we've got her we're going to stick here. And our little boys we're going to stick there. They're playing with some flowers. Okay, so we've got, you know, bunny ears sticking out. But isn't that super cute? I mean, really. Now I've got two of them. I got two ones. Okay. Next week, remember, get your envelope ready. We're going to trim this off. We're going to put that in, check your corners, do the things. Because we've got so much fun going on. And it's so cute. So, we've got it done, guys. Get your freebies on the website or the Facebook group page. We've got the two panels, and you can print them smaller, you know, or even bigger if you wanted to do a bigger journal. And you've got your tags, your paper dolls, your pockets, the whole thing right there. Make your journal cards or make your little minis or both, because I'm doing both, you know, just there you go. Okay, I'll quit yammering on now. You guys take care. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. TTFN.